Stop wasting 40 hours keyframing basic animations in After Effects. For the past month, I invested hundreds of dollars in Claude Pro, Gemini Advanced, and OpenAI subscriptions to build something crazy. A complete, production-grade motion graphics and SaaS UI engine entirely in code. And today, I am giving every single line of source code away to you for 100% free. No paywalls, no courses, no catch. Just pure, agency-level motion design ready to drop into any project. Here is the harsh truth about video editing in 2026. Traditional motion design is broken. Motion graphic templates cost $50 to $200 each on marketplaces. Rendering in After Effects melts your CPU, and generic AI video generators give you blurry, hallucinated mush with zero control over text or layout. But what if you could write clean code, or just prompt an AI agent, and get buttery-smooth 60 frames per second UI mockups, glowing laser beams, kinetic Bento grids, and Apple-level product tours rendered in seconds? That is exactly what this toolkit does. This entire framework is built on Remotion, TypeScript, and React 3 Fiber, styled with the design language of Aceternity and Magic UI. Inside the free zip pack in the description, you are getting two complete powerhouses. First, the Motion Lab engine, featuring over 20 modular showcase scenes like metric counters, neural network forward passes, token streaming visualizations, and rank bar races. Second, the SaaS Kit Lab, packed with animated beam flows, orbiting 3D tech ecosystems, frosted glass panels with specular shine, interactive terminal typewriters, and cinematic light leak composites. The best part? You do not even need to be an expert developer to use this. Whether you are using Claude Code, Cursor, Antigravity, Windsurf, or plain VS Code, the workflow is dead simple. Step 1. Download the zip file from the pinned comment and extract it. Step 2. Run npm install and launch npx Remotion Studio. You will instantly see an interactive visual sandbox where you can scrub every single component in real time. Step 3. Ask your AI agent to customize it. Simply say, change this Bento grid to showcase my crypto SaaS, or make a vertical 9:16 reel comparing Claude and ChatGPT. The agent will modify the props, swap the icons, and you can render a 4K broadcast-ready MP4 with a single command. Now let us talk about the real reason you want this: making money online. With this codebase in your hands, you have 4 massive income streams right now. Number 1. Launch a high-converting faceless YouTube or TikTok automation channel. Educational and tech explainer channels charge thousands in sponsorship because their visuals look premium. Number 2. Sell motion graphic templates and UI packs on Gumroad or WAP. Number 3. Offer fast turnaround motion design services on Upwork and Fiverr. While other editors take 3 days in After Effects, you deliver in 30 minutes. And number 4. Build a programmatic video SaaS that automatically generates customized marketing videos for startups. To grow your channel or agency fast, follow the multi-layer content rhythm. Use the included vertical shorts compositions to flood TikTok, Instagram Reels, and YouTube Shorts with high-energy hooks. Then, funnel that traffic into long-form deep dives or your client landing pages. Because these animations are rendered programmatically at crisp 60 frames per second, your videos instantly stand out from the sea of lazy AI slop. I spent an entire month perfecting every cubic Bezier curve, glow shader, and type animation so that you do not have to start from scratch. If you appreciate free, high-value toolkits like this, hit that like button and subscribe to the channel, because we have a lot more powerful tools coming your way. Grab the free download link in the description below. Build, monetize, repeat.